बागमारी चिकन कॉर्नर में आपको होम डिलीवरी अवेलेबल मिलेगी सुबह 11 बजे से रात के 10 बजे तक।
फियोनिक स्कूल में साइंस एग्जीबिशन। बीजापुर के फियोनिक्स इंग्लिश मीडियम प्री प्राइमरी और हाई स्कूल में फियोनिक उत्सव का आयोजन हुआ, जिसमें स्टूडेंट द्वारा साइंस मॉडल्स बनाकर साइंस के प्रति दिलचस्पी बढ़ाते हुए स्टूडेंट को प्रोत्साहित किया गया। बच्चों की टैलेंट की सराहना करते हुए मुख्य अतिथि और पोषकों ने स्कूल मैनेजमेंट की प्रशंसा की।
So, just to enable, government has taken many initiatives instilling the girls at home students, which are actually available when they go out. So this is mainly for the parents. They need to instill that confidence in the girls, and then when they grow as women and go out for that kind of job, they need to be more. Address, and I wish the school, the students and the parents are very
children all started grinning because they know if madam takes the mic, I talk for hours together. But I won't take much time since it's an exhibition. But I would just quote what madam said. It is for especially my boys and the parents. What madam was talking is about women and science. She was saying the total number of women who got the Nobel Prize or who were there in the other fields, the number of women are less. None school nali, same problem. I'll go to Kannada because many of my parents are Kannada and this thing has to go for them, Hindi, Kannada. So, madam ಏನಂದ್ರು, even ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, if you have been admitted in an English medium school, then we should consider that you all are lucky because parents still now, many of my boys are there. They are on an average level of education or IQ, but their parents are putting them in English medium. Whereas their sisters, who will be scoring 99%, they will be put into a vernacular medium. Madam, I asked them, वो इतने होशियार है मैडम, उसको क्यों यहाँ नहीं डालते, इन लोगों को क्यों यहाँ डाले, इनको डालो उधर और उनको यहाँ लेके आओ गर्ल्स को। ये नहीं मैडम, कल शादी करके अपने घर में जाने वाले हैं, उनको क्या जरूरत है, इंग्लिश पढ़ा के क्या करना है, हमारे बेटे अच्छे बनना इंग्लिश पढ़ के, और ये बेटे यहाँ 50% 35% लाए तो भी करो मैडम, करो मैडम, मैडम करना, करो मैडम, करो मैडम, मैडम क्या करना। होशियार की जो बच्ची है उसको वर्नाक्युलर में डालें और जो बच्चों को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, जो बाइक मोबाइल में है, उनको यहाँ इंग्लिश मीडियम में डाल के डालो। और ಮುಂದೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರ ಜೊತೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಅವ್ರ ಅಂಡರ್ ಬೇಡ, ನೀವೇ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನಡೆಸಿ. Smiles. All the third standard stand up. Clap for the third standard. And thanks to the class teacher who has guided.
Thank you. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers and my colleagues and teaching and non-teaching staff, I would like to wish you, today is the day of we are considering as the Environment Day, as a Science Day. That's the reason, first I will wish you a happy Science Day for all my students. Today I am here to it's given me immense pleasure to deliver a word of thanks to our today's functions guest, Srimati Vijayashri Thande Madam. She is one of the scientists and she is a chief scientist in India.
It works on the physics law of Pascal law. It is mainly made for movement of ships and the cars. The ships pass through the bridge. When the ship is passing, there will be a siren and the cars will be stopped. And it will be get up like this. The movement of the bridge will get up, and the ships will pass through there. And the bridge again automatically it will come to its normal place. And when it is done, again the cars will, as it is per time it will be when the ships come, the siren will be off.
Elephant toothpaste. This experiment shows that decomposition of hydrogen peroxide against the potassium iodide. In this beaker, I am adding the potassium iodide. As the combination of yeast, I will mix the whip. Then I will mix the hydrogen peroxide. It will be react with this potassium, then it will be spread like this. This is the caused by the hydrogen present in the this peroxide and the presence of potassium. Thank you.
So be ready with your explanation. Come for it.
How exactly I want you to make your price? This is my budget. Okay. And what is that you have done? But what is that your contribution to this? Downloaded the app and
we have downloaded the app and we are from Google Assistant, so we have made the programs and we have with Google Assistant so we can do it.
you can make it.
And we assembled all the parts and
Yes,
You assembled all those things, but if I wanted you to do it for school, for controlling, nobody is there in the
The
class.
Wi-Fi should be there, madam.
Wi-Fi is there.
Assume Wi-Fi is there for
I'll
you
switch off
and
the
you
light
need
from
to when
home.
nobody is there in the class, then your app has to, then you have to.
I'll do the marks on that.
No, actually they are good, so you can do that now.
That is what.
Now tablet where the now we can get the from this. Then the present like this
on occasion of National Science Day, we have kept a science exhibition, and we have invited a big personality from ISRO. She is a senior scientist, Mrs. Vijayashri Landil. She has come here to watch our exhibition. As she had some work, she had to leave early. So in her place, I was hugely overwhelmed by on receiving her, because she was also involved in Chandrayaan 2 and Mission Mars. In both this thing, she was the operational director. So I thank her for coming here, and she also gave some speeches to our children. अब मैं हिंदी में बोलती हूँ, तो हमारे बच्चों को वो अपने बारे में, अपने लाइफ के बारे में बताए, उससे हमारे लड़कियों को थोड़ा इंस्पिरेशन मिला हुआ है। वो औरतों के बारे में और साइंस के बारे में बोले, क्योंकि वो बोल रहे थे साइंस के फील्ड में अभी औरतें बहुत कम हैं। हमारे स्कूल में भी यही कंडीशन है, लड़कियों के रेशियो लड़कों के रेशियो से बहुत कम है। तो मैं सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि अपने दोनों बच्चों को एक जैसे ट्रीट करें, लड़कियों को भी साइंस में डालें और आगे उनका फ्यूचर करें। आज के इस साइंस एग्जीबिशन में हमारे साइंस के फैकल्टी जिया सर और आफरीन मैडम का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है। 4 दिनों में ही हमारे समीना मैडम भी है, वो प्राइमरी के कोऑर्डिनेटर है, और हमारे 3rd स्टैंडर्ड के टीचर भी है। उन्होंने एक बुक भी इनॉग्रेट किया है उनके क्लास के बच्चों को, और हमारे आफरीन मैडम, समीना मैडम, जिया सर मिल के 4 दिनों में हमारे बच्चों को रेडी करके ये एग्जीबिशन को सक्सेस किया। मैं इन सबको थैंक यू करना चाहती हूँ।
थैंक यू मैडम।
यहाँ पे हर ईयर मैं यहाँ पे 3 साल से हूँ, और 3 years here. Every year, Madam will Shabita Shetty Madam will support a lot to the student and motivate a lot to the student in growing in a scientific field. In each and every department, in every concept, in the mathematics, all the types of concepts, she wants the student to be best. And always thank to her, and she will treat all the children as a mother, and she will be the trainer for the teachers also. She is one of the best principals in Bijapur, I can say. Thank you.
आपकी सुविधा के लिए हमने बनाया बी न्यूज़ नेशन ऐप, जो आप गूगल प्ले स्टोर में जाकर डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। इस ऐप में वीडियो न्यूज़ देखने के साथ साथ आप देश भर की न्यूज़ पढ़ भी सकते हैं, कन्नड़ा और उर्दू ज़बान में। तो जाइए प्ले स्टोर में और अभी भी न्यूज़ नेशन ऐप को डाउनलोड कीजिए देश भर की खबरों को देखने के लिए।